guys, it's day 8. Well, more like night 8. This is why Ernie and I can't be watching The Bachelorette or anything in that franchise, because it takes up all of our time. Literally all of our time. Never gonna get anything done watching that show. And we don't, which is why I'm just starting to vlog. So it's really night 8, not day 8. It's 6:35. I'm getting dinner ready. So I have my green beans that I got yesterday. We have these stuffed mushrooms.
Hello, my love.
Hello, my love.
How's your camera?
Perfect. No problem. We dropped the camera yesterday on our way in with the tree, and luckily it fell onto the cat stand that I moved, and there was a pillow on top of it, so the camera hit the pillow. But when it fell, it jarred the memory card, so that whole clip that I didn't decide to turn off and start again, just gone. So the whole thing of us putting the tree up, there it is. The whole thing with us putting the tree up and like cutting off the netting and everything, all gone. Is gone. It's okay. We'll get it next year. Anyway, I have my mushrooms in the oven at 400, and it only needs to be in there for like 15 minutes, which gives me, I think, almost enough time to cook up the other stuff. I have our green beans. I'm just gonna pour these in. I've already washed them, so they're good. Gonna let this boil for a few minutes, and instead of shocking them, I'm just going to let them sit because I always undercook these guys. And I let it boil for like, I don't know, 4 minutes. This is guesswork. It's deceivingly simple is what it is. I was gonna make angel hair pasta, but I already have an open box of fettuccine, so that's what we're gonna use instead. I just realized I also have an open bag of spaghetti that I shoved into the box of fettuccine so that I would know that it existed, because I'd be forgetting things. Fettuccine, spaghetti. Since I'm not doing like a really thick sauce, and fettuccine I feel like is better at holding sauce, I'm gonna use the spaghetti. Ooh, the spaghetti. I always use a little bit of tape to keep the box. Oh my goodness. That got fun. Hello guys, I didn't get nearly enough vlog footage to call today a whole vlog, so this vlog is going to be called Vlogmas Day 8 and 9. It's time for the advent calendar. We're gonna do the first piece right now, and then we're gonna do the second piece later. No, both pieces now. That makes more sense, right?
Who's it gonna be?
It's Angela.
It's Angela. Oh my god.
Oh my god, she's holding one of her cats.
That's how you know it's Angela for sure.
That is so cute. There you go. Give me the box.
Fine.
Number 9.
Number 9. Number 9.
That was an actual Beatles.
Number
They just
9.
went number 9 over and over again.
I have trouble going number 2 over and over. I couldn't imagine 9. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. So who do you think? Who do you guys think?
Who have we not gotten yet?
Ryan? Haven't gotten Ryan.
I don't want Ryan.
Sorry. Creed. You haven't gotten Creed.
I'm gonna guess Meredith.
Okay. I'll say Creed.
Okay.
Alright. Or Toby.
Fun fact about the actor who played Toby. He had serious anxiety, and he didn't like being on camera. So usually when he did the writing for the show, he gave himself the least amount of parts he could.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I did not know that. Fun fact.
Yeah.
We didn't guess this person.
Of course not.
You know who it is? It's Andy.
Oh my gosh, we just talked about how much we hated his character.
Look at him.
We were just watching The Office.
We were just watching it on TV. It was like, oh my god. And look, he has a little guitar.
We gotta go to bed.
Okay, guys.
We've been talking for a while, and we have to cut 60% of it out.
Oh, 60%.
Your jokes are too raunchy.
This is the R-rated version. Stay tuned for the director's cut.
No.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.
This isn't the end of the vlog.
It's not the end of the vlog.
No.
Oh.
Hey guys, it's me. Of course it's me. We're in the middle of the vlog. I put on makeup to film some hauls, and I did. I filmed two hauls. I feel pretty good about that. Having this conversation with my mom at the moment on the little group chat here, and I don't think she liked the answer. So she was like, just asking a general question. This is basically how it went. I'm not gonna read the exact thing, but if I have one child that's ungrateful and another one that's good, like, first of all, you have 4, but anyway, if somebody with 2 children and there's one child that's not great and the other one is, which one am I supposed to, like, give my money to when I, you know? And I said, build a pyramid and take it all with you. She didn't like it. I mean, I understand why, but I thought it was a funny joke, okay? So I'm going to bring up our Christmas tree decorations, and then I'm going to cook dinner. I meant to do this a long time ago, but I started filming TikToks, and I only did 2, but I did like 10, literally like 10 of each, because I am never pleased with any of my TikToks. I had one get to like 25K, and I sat on that one for like a month before I posted it, and I finally posted it, and it got, like, you know, decent views. Not viral, but still cool. So here is our box of ornaments. These are like little Dollar Tree ones. I usually use those for decorating my room, but I forgot they existed. So going back to these, the football one is a random one that Alice had bought. All of our ornaments are vintage. They're assorted designs, assorted colors. Like the rest of our home, it's just a mishmash of different styles. I love these ones. They're little teardrop shape. 2 of the ornaments in here are matte, the top 2, and then the bottom 2 are glossy. Haven't looked at these in years. These blue ones, these little gold trees. I'm starting to realize we have a lot of gold ones. We've got some purple ones in here. So, there we are, right here. These are so pretty. So yeah, they're all vintage. Alice had them for a really long time. They're at least from the 70s. Here's our tree topper, not vintage. We got this maybe 10 years ago at like Home Depot or Target. These other gold ones, yeah, we got a ton of gold. Never really thought of that. These little champagne ones are really pretty. If you have trouble unraveling your lights every year, I highly suggest getting a spool. It makes everything a million times easier. The camera is focusing on Michael. All right. I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make butter chicken. I usually make naan with it, but I don't think we have any, so I'm just gonna make rice. And I'm also gonna make some broccoli. Not very Indian at all, but where was I going with this? Oh yeah, we need the vegetables. So yeah, I'm gonna just make some broccoli with it. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut my onion. Ooh. I think I'm only gonna use 2/3 instead of the whole thing, because I have a smaller amount of chicken here than I usually would, since I'm not trying to make enough for 2 days. Usually when I make this, I make sure to make enough for leftovers so I don't have to cook the next day. But tomorrow is Saturday, and my eyes are burning. Oh no, don't do this to me. I heard putting a wet paper towel on the cutting board helps, because the fumes or gases or whatever coming out of this are looking for moisture to attach to. That is usually our eyes. So instead of going straight into my eyes, it has something else to attract to that's much closer. My eyes are still watering, but it's better than it was a second ago. Eyes are still on fire. And it's worse because I'm wearing makeup today. Oh, yay. Ow. Next, I'm gonna prep my garlic and my ginger. I always prefer to use fresh ginger when I can because the flavor is just a lot better. This is different than how I used to make butter chicken, because I was watching my sister. Hers came out so much better than mine. I was like, I'm never going back. Tell me how you cook yours. So this is how my sister makes her butter chicken. When I was a kid, living with my grandma, one of my jobs in the kitchen was to peel the ginger. And boy, do I wish that I knew the hack of just using a spoon instead of a knife because that would have saved me many hours. And she was very picky about how I had to peel it because she didn't want to lose any ginger. So I had to sit there forever, slowly peeling thin skins off ginger with a tiny little paring knife. And I just grate it so that when it's in the food, nobody gets a giant chunk of it, and I also don't have to like fish it out later. I usually take like a thumb size of it. I think that's enough. Onto garlic. I use a ton of garlic because I love garlic. Sometimes I grate this and sometimes I mince it. Today I'm mincing because I don't feel good about losing a nail today. Am I using the proper knife? Probably not. But I use this knife for everything. I'm just gonna put this into the same container as the ginger because it's going to go into the dish at the same time. Next, I'm gonna throw my spices together. I start off with half a teaspoon of ground cumin. I'm just gonna use whatever's left in here. I think that's about half a teaspoon. I don't know, we'll see. Just a dash of cayenne pepper. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper. I like to use freshly ground black pepper. I'm just eyeballing it, but you could totally use measuring spoons. I actually do have some here that I just decided not to use. 1 teaspoon of paprika. I don't think I have enough for 1 teaspoon here. Getting to the bottom of all of my... no, I have enough. That's just enough. Wow, I'm so lucky. Now this wasn't one of my sister's ingredients, but I also like to add a little bit of chili powder. So I'm going to use half a teaspoon. One teaspoon of cinnamon. This is a half, so I'm just going to take 2. And half a teaspoon of salt. Later, we're also going to use 1 can of coconut cream and a can of tomato paste. And now we start. This is my chicken. It's all diced up, ready to go. So starting off with olive oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to put... That's not hot enough. It's okay. The flavors are a little mild for me, so I added half a teaspoon of lemon juice to kind of balance it out. I'm also going to add a bit more pepper and some smoked paprika because I am out of cumin. Is it cumin or is it cumin? Because I've always heard cumin until I heard some people say cumin instead. And cumin sounds wrong to me, but it might be right. I might be wrong. Lastly, half a tablespoon of butter. I also like adding fresh cilantro right before serving, but I do not have any, so we shall go without it. I'm just gonna turn it on low. First I'm gonna take off the heat. And once this cools down enough, I'll put it back on the heat and just let it sit on low until we're ready to serve. Hello guys! I was editing the vlog and I realized that I never came on here to say bye. So, bye! I don't know why that was so funny to me. This is the end of the vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other and especially to yourselves. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!